Hi guys, we're going to be unboxing a KLM 747. You said, if you guys say I unboxed the KLM 747, you are wrong. I already did, but that was a different one. I got a welly one right now with the actual, the wheels. There's no sign of damage. It says aircraft diecast metal, newly redesigned and plastic parts. KLM word. You can only get this in Amsterdam, but I had to buy it online because I wanted to. So it says Netherlands, and it says Welly Boeing licensed. Because actually, this is a Boeing 747, and I'm not 2, guys. I promise. I am actually 8 years old, so I'm allowed to have this. Okay, guys, so let's open it. Okay, guys, we're gonna put the box here. So here's the box. It's a really nice one. We have the back of the plane here. You can see. Oh my god, I almost fell. Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Got it.
This was $18 on eBay, so you could buy it.
It was here it is. Let me
put it on the cover. Actually, no.
She's still mad.
So it's a really nice plane. The mold. That's the mold there. We got the KLM, Flying Dutchman, and we have KLM Airlines. I'm eating bread, guys.
Are you scratching? Come on.
I'm just eating bread, guys.
Get that ball back.
Just go. What?
No. No, he fouled it.
Okay, guys, this is the KLM 747.
Go up here. In front of it.
I just opened it like a few seconds ago, but then I had to eat some bread, so I'm hungry though.
What?
On the other side, it says the same thing, PHKLM. Then it says KLM right there on the back. And look at these wheels, man. They look really nice. They look metal. As you can see, KLM Airlines, Sky Team Airlines KLM, City of Amsterdam, and it says Amsterdam right there. AMS, Amsterdam. That's this is it's actually a pretty nice model. I love it so much. And also we see the engine, so you can see the engine. I mean, not the engines. See, it has the KLM logo, and the wingless also has the KLM logo. And right here, you can see. So this mold is actually really nice. So you see. Looks like this, and this is probably it, guys. Okay, bye.